Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Start Learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. I hope you all are doing well. So in previous videos I was talk about social media platforms and their benefits, and today I will talk about negative facts of social media. So I started this series for my spoken English practice. That's why I am talking about social media. Okay, so let's start. Social media is a part of our daily life. Everyone use social media. Like every coin has two sides. Likewise, every application and everything have both side, positive and negative. So social media also, with the positive side, social media also have negative side. Let's start. So first negative fact of social media that is most important, that is wasting too much time on social media. On social media we waste our time by scrolling reels, by scrolling shorts and photos. When we go for 5 minutes to use social media, but we don't know about time and we forget everything, and after hours and hours spending on social media and waste our time which is used in study, our work and self improvement. So social media is wasting too much time, and nowadays youngest generation wasting their most of time in scrolling and watching reels and shorts. So this is very negative impact of social media. Next negative impact of social media is addiction. So nowadays people feel addicted of social media because they use social media and they check social media again and again. And if they do not use social media, they feel restless, and it's all addiction of social media. So it is harmful to their mental health, and it distract their focus, concentration and sleep. Next negative impact of social media is mental health. So on social media we usually watch other people's photos, stories, travel and their wealth. Then we compare ourselves with their success, with their photos, with their wealth, and we feel sad, stress and inferior. So but on the social media everything is not real, but our minds forget it. So it retard our mental health and affect our health also. Usually we gradually we feel inferior and to other people's by doing comparison with others. Next negative impact is disturb sleep time. So many people usually watch social media and use social media before sleeping. So mobile phone light affect our eyes and brain, and it distract our circadian rhythm or biological cycle. Because due to this light, our mind affect and our sleep cycle also affect. And if we don't sleep properly, then it disturb our focus, our concentration, and we can't focus on studies, we can't focus on our work, and we feel poor health, low energy, low confidence, and we can't work proper in whole day. So it disturb our sleep cycle, and due to sleep our studies also affect. We can't focus on studies. If we don't do studies properly, then how we grow in our career and how we build our career. So it affects our career, our sleep, our studies and so many things. And next negative impact that is most important, that is reduction of real life interaction. So nowadays what happened, we sit together with our family, with our friends and with our siblings, but we chat on mobile phone, and don't talk we don't interact with each other. We talk in mobile phones, and that's why it reduces real life interactions. Because of this, slowly we forget social awareness and we forget social behavior that is very important for everyone, because we all are part of society and our nation. So it is very bad habit. Next one is spreading of bad news very fast. So in today's era of social media, we get some news and without checking, we get some fake news, and without checking we spread it very fast, and without checking facts we believe it, in believe on this news that is real, and sometimes it is fake. So because fake news create misunderstanding, fake news create fear, and fake news create fear and misunderstandings. Last but not the least, negative impact of social media, that is cyberbullying and negative comments. And this is very trending nowadays, because people negative comments on other posts and other people's videos, and troll them and roast them using negative comments, and use negative words and body shaming words. This hurts people emotionally, and so that's why it affects people's very badly. So these are the negative impacts of social media. So many social media negative impacts are there, but I listed some of them that I have in my mind. Social media is not bad. Social media is a very amazing thing, but if we use it wisely, then it is very good. And if we use it in negative way, if we use it by in time pass and killing, if we use it in killing time by scrolling reels and by scrolling shorts and watching negative content, then it will be very bad for us and it will be very dangerous. So use it wisely and use it to empower our skills, use it to build confidence, use it to for self improvement. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start learn. See you in my next spoken English practice video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.